Engineers who use reference designs are often able to fast-track their design whilst at the same time reducing development costs. An example of this is the Silicon Labs AMW007 E04 wireless starter kit available for Mouser Electronics, which provides an easy-to-use development platform to evaluate and develop applications based on the AMW007 Wi-Fi module, using Gecko OS, a connectivity operating system which helps accelerate time to market by providing a common software foundation across multiple product lines. Gecko OS features integrated security, sophisticated network connectivity features, file management, and rich peripheral interfaces, the combination of which allows designers to focus on developing their applications. The kit allows designers to rapidly embed Wi-Fi and secure networking functionality into virtually any device. It connects to a PC using a standard USB cable, or alternatively, the board can be connected to a Silicon Labs MCU evaluation kit using the EXP interface. The board features test pins, which enable the designer to probe a range of signals during development, a low-cost reference PCB antenna, a reset button, as well as user buttons and LEDs for developer convenience. The kit is suited to a wide range of applications, including industrial, home automation, environmental monitoring, security, appliance control, and health and fitness. For more information on the Silicon Labs AMW007 E04 wireless starter kit, visit mouser.com.